Hello everyone, Hubei Enchang Technology is an intelligent manufacturing company focusing on intelligent security products. We are rooted in Dongguan, a assembly plant set up in Hubei province. So today, let's follow me on a tour of this factory. Enchang Technology was founded in 2010. The current factory covers an area of 50,000 square meters. Next, to show you our smart security products. There are smart locks, mechanical locks, smart doorbells, cameras, projectors, and so on. Enchang Tech specializes in security, guiding your home, which can be achieved from product design, molding, die casting, injection molding production, assembly and shipment. Please communicate your needs with us and we will turn them into reality. Welcome to our comprehensive office. Here is where our business allies and followers work, where we provide you with the most attentive and meticulous service. We are located in Engineering and Technology Center, where we turn all ideas and drawings into reality. Now come to our workshop and the equipment. We currently have 46 sets of die casting machines, 44 sets of model processing equipment, 120 sets of CNC machine center. Machine automation has been achieved to the maximum utilization in our factory. This side is our assembly workshop, currently equipped with 5 assembly lines. We are opening 24 hours a day to assemble, to ensure that each product can be the first time to reach your hands. We strictly implement quality inspection standards to ensure that every customer product can meet our high-quality requirements. Products that pass the inspection will be sent to you the first time. If you are interested in our customer products, don't hesitate to contact us. Let's create your unique products together.